Welcome to I'm Finally Fit. In today's fast-paced world, the importance of recovery for both physical and mental health cannot be overstated. Recovery is not just about rest. It's a crucial process that allows our bodies and minds to repair, rejuvenate, and prepare for the challenges ahead. An effective evening routine plays a pivotal role in optimizing these recovery processes, ensuring that we wake up refreshed and ready to tackle the day. By incorporating science-backed practices into our nightly rituals, we can significantly enhance our overall well-being. From improving sleep quality to reducing stress levels, a well-structured evening routine can set the stage for better physical performance and mental clarity. In this video, we will explore actionable tips that can transform your evenings into a powerful recovery period. Whether you're an athlete looking to boost performance or someone simply seeking a more balanced life, these strategies will help you harness the full potential of your evening hours. So, let's dive into the science of recovery and discover how a few simple changes can lead to profound benefits for your health and happiness. Understanding recovery. Recovery is the process through which our bodies and minds restore themselves after physical exertion or mental stress. It plays a vital role in maintaining overall health as it allows for the repair of tissues, replenishment of energy stores, and the regulation of hormones. In essence, recovery is essential for both physical and mental well-being, enabling us to perform at our best. During recovery, several physiological processes take place. For instance, muscle fibers that have been stressed during exercise undergo repair and growth, while the body works to eliminate toxins and reduce inflammation. Additionally, the brain processes information and consolidates memories, which is crucial for cognitive function. Sleep and relaxation are key components of effective recovery. Quality sleep allows the body to enter deep restorative phases where growth hormone is released, aiding in tissue repair and muscle growth. Similarly, relaxation techniques such as deep breathing or meditation can lower cortisol levels, reducing stress and promoting a sense of calm. Together, these elements enhance recovery efficiency, ensuring that we are not only physically restored but also mentally rejuvenated for the challenges ahead. Creating a relaxing environment. Setting up a calming space for your evening routine is essential for promoting relaxation and enhancing recovery. Start by decluttering and organizing your environment. A tidy space can significantly reduce stress and create a sense of tranquility. Take a few minutes to put away any items that don't belong and arrange your surroundings in a way that feels inviting and peaceful. Next, consider the lighting in your space. Dim, white lighting can create a cozy atmosphere that signals your body it's time to taper off and unwind. Keep away from severe ceiling lights and choose for lamps or candles that release a gentle glow. Additionally, incorporating calming scents can further enhance relaxation. Essential oils like lavender or chamomile, or even a soothing candle, can create a serene ambience that helps ease your mind. Finally, minimizing noise and distractions is crucial for a peaceful atmosphere. Turn off electronic devices or use noise-canceling headphones to block out disruptive sounds. By creating a serene environment, you set the stage for a successful evening routine that promotes recovery and prepares you for a restful night's sleep. Establishing a consistent sleep schedule. A regular sleep routine is vital for optimal recovery, as it helps regulate your body's internal clock and enhances overall well-being. To achieve this, start by setting a fixed bedtime and wake-up time. Consistency is key. Going to bed and waking up at the same time each day helps your body establish a rhythm, making it easier to fall asleep and wake up feeling refreshed. Aligning your sleep patterns with natural circadian rhythms can further enhance the quality of your rest. Our bodies are designed to respond to the natural light-dark cycle, so try to sleep during the hours when it's dark and be awake during daylight. This alignment not only improves sleep quality, but also boosts mood and cognitive function. Additionally, it's essential to avoid screens and stimulating activities before bedtime. The high-energy visible light discharged by mobile phones, tablets, and computers can get involved with melatonin creation, making it difficult to fall asleep. Instead, consider engaging in calming activities like reading a book or practicing relaxation techniques. By establishing a consistent sleep schedule, you set the foundation for effective recovery and a healthier lifestyle. Incorporating relaxation techniques to enhance recovery during the evening. Incorporating various relaxation techniques can be incredibly beneficial. Practices such as meditation, deep breathing, and yoga are excellent ways to calm the mind and body. Meditation helps to center your thoughts, while deep breathing exercises can reduce stress and promote a sense of peace. Yoga, with its combination of movement and mindfulness, not only relaxes the body but also improves flexibility and reduces tension. Another effective method is journaling, which allows you to process your thoughts and emotions. Taking a few minutes to write down your feelings or reflect on your day can provide clarity and help release any lingering stress. This practice can be particularly helpful in creating a mental space for relaxation, making it easier to unwind. Additionally, engaging in light stretching can significantly aid in releasing tension built up throughout the day. Gentle stretches can improve circulation and promote relaxation, making it easier for your body to transition into a restful state. By incorporating these relaxation techniques into your evening routine, you can enhance your recovery process and set the stage for a more restorative night's sleep. Nutrition for recovery. Evening nutrition plays a crucial role in optimizing recovery, as the right foods can significantly impact how well your body repairs and rejuvenates overnight. It's essential to consume a balanced meal that includes a good source of protein and healthy fats. Protein aids in muscle repair and growth, while healthy fats provide sustained energy and support overall cellular function. Consider options like grilled chicken with avocado or a quinoa salad with nuts to fuel your recovery effectively. On the other hand, it's wise to avoid heavy or spicy foods close to bedtime. These types of meals can lead to discomfort and disrupt your sleep, hindering the recovery process. Instead, focus on lighter options that are easy to digest, allowing your body to rest and recover without unnecessary strain. Hydration is another key aspect of evening nutrition. Staying well hydrated supports various recovery processes, including nutrient transport and muscle function. Aim to drink water throughout the day, but be mindful of your intake in the evening to avoid frequent trips to the bathroom during the night. By prioritizing evening nutrition, you can enhance your recovery and wake up feeling revitalized. Limiting stimulants and distractions. Reducing stimulants and distractions before bed is essential for promoting restful sleep and optimizing recovery. One of the most important steps is to avoid caffeine and nicotine consumption in the evening. Both substances are stimulants that can interfere with your ability to fall asleep and stay asleep, leading to a restless night. Instead, opt for herbal teas or other caffeine-free beverages to help you unwind. Another significant factor is limiting screen time before bed. The high energy visible light poured out by telephones, tablet computers, computer laptops, and computer desktops can disturb your body's ordinary creation of melatonin, the hormone responsible for regulating sleep. To combat this, consider setting a specific time to put away electronic devices, allowing your mind to transition into a more relaxed state. Creating a digital curfew can further enhance your sleep hygiene. Aim to disconnect from screens at least an hour before bedtime. Use this time for calming activities like reading, journaling, or practicing relaxation techniques. By limiting stimulants and distractions, you can create a peaceful environment that fosters better sleep, ultimately supporting your recovery and overall well-being. Establishing a science-backed evening routine is essential for optimizing recovery and enhancing overall well-being. We've discussed the importance of creating a calming environment, setting a consistent sleep schedule, incorporating relaxation techniques, focusing on evening nutrition, and limiting stimulants and distractions. Each of these elements plays a vital role in ensuring that your body and mind can effectively recover from the day's stresses. By implementing these actionable steps, you can transform your evenings into a powerful time for rejuvenation. Whether it's decluttering your space, practicing meditation, or setting a digital curfew, small changes can lead to significant improvements in your sleep quality and recovery processes. If you found this information helpful, we encourage you to subscribe to the channel for more content on health and wellness. Don't forget to like this video and share it with friends or family who might benefit from these tips. Together, we can create a community focused on better health and recovery. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video.